Welcome to modelpapers.com. We will solve one problem from GATE 2003 paper, and this problem is from fluid mechanics section. Fluid mechanics section. The problem statement is given here. A cylindrical body of cross-sectional area A, height h and density rho s is immersed to a depth h in a liquid of density rho and tied to the bottom with a string. The tension in the string is A. There are four choices given here: A, B, C, D. So in this problem we have to find out the tension in the string. This string, let's say T is the tension in the string in this direction, and the weight of the block or the cylindrical body is acting also in the downward direction, and the buoyancy force due to this fluid is acting upward direction. Let's say this is the buoyancy force FB, and so we can write the equilibrium equation here. T plus mg, this is the total force acting in the downward direction, equal to the buoyancy force FB, and this buoyancy force is what? This buoyancy force is the liquid density rho into the volume displaced by the this block, the volume of the liquid displaced by this block, which is nothing but the cross-sectional area A and height h and g. This is the buoyancy force. And what is the mass of this block here in this equation, which is nothing but density of block or cylindrical body rho s into volume of cylindrical body, or we can write this volume is A into h. A is the cross-sectional area and h is the height of the cylindrical body. So putting these two values in this equation, you can get T plus rho s into A h g equal to rho A small h into g. Okay, what is the value T here? Rho h minus rho s capital H and Ag are common, A and G. So this is the tension in the string, and hence option D is correct. Option D is correct. In this way you can solve this type of problem. Thank you.